Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Konrad Gesang Ma Luapan Bena ia karai ke bahe kebala ban wanra shibun ke jingtela khamtam ban pensting ia ka jingkit khia jong ki district council ha kejela ha ka jing pembena mta ka singi ka option tarik naila ajrapsan u Konrad laong ba ka soka ka rai ban sim ti no ia ka jingkit khli ban Siew Tulop hi no da ka soka ya Baroh ki Nongtrei ka Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council bat kumju ka Karo Hills Autonomous District Council kibadon hakan dikejala bat kani kan trikam Naduh Naiwieng ajapsan Menteri Rang Ba long ba ki district councils kidai ka silem ka badon kamha bat kidai ka dak jong clarity bat ka jiyo pateng bat namar kata kalong ka badon kam ya ka soka jela ban pentikna bakin trikam ha bat bakin nang pencana susu na mta clarity ke jaj benri ula ong bak soka ka rai ba Naduh Naiwieng ajapsan ka soka kan Siew Tulop no ya kinong tray Baroh jong ka Autonomous District Council ki badon haka jela bat sisen ba Siew ka soka ka Tulop ki Autonomous District Council kin plej jingbot bai haki kam jong ki khamda pen kathakli shu banwat pisa namta ban Siew Tulop ya kinong tray Menteri Rang Ba ulapan benaru bahkan don ke komiti kebanyakan selok halokan ni bahkan pendap ya kam hapo saupusan sengik Handai haka juga pol om ka soka jela kan om tukla ya ki kam ki jam jong ki Autonomous District Council handai kan Siew bai tangi ka Tulop kenang bakin light na ka jingban ka jingkit ban Siew ya ka Tulop Menteri Rang Ba lai kendu yulat halokan ni mata ka sengi bat ya kan ni ka rai on sim da ka kabinet la syai ka sengi.
Today, after detailed discussion with the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, we have realized that there are a lot of challenges that the councils today are facing all over the state. In the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, the salaries required annually reach up to 70 plus crores, whereas the revenues don't even touch 30 crores. And hence there is a huge deficiency and a gap between revenue and expenditure. The similar conditions are there in other district councils where financial problems are there in the Jaintia Hills and to some extent in Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The district councils are a very important institution in our state, and the district councils are also a symbol of our culture and of our traditions. Hence, it is absolutely necessary for the state government to ensure that not only do the councils work properly, but they also thrive and ensure that different aspects of our tradition and our culture and different aspects of landholding are taken care of. Keeping these aspects in mind, we as a government have decided that coming November 1st, 2025, the government of Meghalaya will be paying the salaries for the different autonomous district councils. This will be a historic moment where once the salaries are paid, the different district councils can then focus on the different areas of concerns and development aspects and different traditional and aspects of culture. The procedure to ensure that this is implemented in a proper manner will be worked out by a committee that will engage with all the district councils, namely the Khasi, Garo and the Jaintia Hills District Council. This committee will take 45 days to ensure that they engage with all the councils and ensure that these systems are in place so that the salaries can be paid to the district councils by the state government. I also want to assure the district councils and the citizens at large that there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor into the jurisdiction of the district councils. Our intention is only to bring financial stability, a proper system so that the councils are able to pay salaries on time and so that they can continue to function and work as per the mandate of the Constitution. Earlier today, I also had a meeting with the Honorable Governor and shared these different points, took guidance from him, and as per his directions, these decisions are going to be finalized. And in the cabinet tomorrow, we will be officially taking these decisions to ensure that every aspect of what was discussed with the Honorable Governor will be implemented in letter and spirit. Thank you.